Welcome to my channel. How to fix Arlo camera blinking orange light, quick solution. 1. Check internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi internet is working properly without drops or outages. 2. Bring camera closer to router. Move the Arlo camera closer to your Wi-Fi router to improve signal strength. 3. Power cycle the camera. Remove the camera battery or unplug the power cable, wait 30 seconds, then reconnect it. 4. Check Wi-Fi password. Confirm that your Wi-Fi password is correct and has not been changed recently. 5. Reconnect camera to Wi-Fi. Open the Arlo app and reconnect the camera to your Wi-Fi network. 6. Update camera firmware. Check the Arlo app for any pending firmware updates and install them. 7. Restart Arlo base station, if used. If your camera uses a base station, restart it and wait until it comes back online. 8. Check router settings. Ensure your router is using 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, as some Arlo cameras don't support 5 GHz. 9. Reset the camera. Press and hold the reset button for about 10 seconds until the LED flashes. 10. Contact Arlo support. If the orange light keeps blinking, contact Arlo support for further help. Thanks for watching, like, comment and subscribe.